Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and Bitcoin is breaking bullish. Okay, let me show you guys. We have been trading within this sidewards channel here since 21st of June, yeah, and then we had this small breakdown here, as you can see, yeah, and this is, let me switch to the hourly time frame. And of course, guys, if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let me show you what has been going on here, guys. So this line here has been acting as a strong support line for quite a long time, but then we had this breakdown here 3 days ago, okay? So, and this here, you see this week here down even below this yellow support line at around 29,449. This was what I would call a liquidation week, yeah? This means if you use high leverage, let's say 50x or 80x or whatever, and then a week like this appears, then your position gets closed because they call for your margin. Basically, your margin is used up and your position gets liquidated. That's why it's, first of all, always good not to be in too high leverage positions, and always put a stop loss a little bit above your liquidation price, because it's much more expensive for you, so to say, if you get liquidated, okay? So, but as of right now, what is going on? As you can see here, we broke down, let's say like 3 days ago, but now we are breaking up again inside this channel, yeah. And first of all, two bullish things are happening at this moment, because as you can see here, we had this downtrend that has been going on since 3 days now. And first of all, we broke this downtrend, and the second positive thing now is we broke above this line now that has been acting as resistance, as you can see, because we broke down, then we tried to break above it, didn't work, and now it worked. As you can see here, we have already the 4th hourly candle above this line, so we are back in this channel, guys, yeah. So if you're not in a trade right now, yeah, what you could do now is you could enter a long position, and with a stop loss below the wick. I mean, the wick here was, this is a liquidation wick at around 29,269, okay, below this wick. Or you could wait until a chart pattern appears, because basically the target of this chart pattern would be around, let's say, $30,400, yeah, the technical price target. So we almost reach it, but this is just the small price target, because in overall, let me show you on the bigger time frame. As you can see here, the next big resistance, since we are broke above this, is up here, yeah. And you can see here, this is the next resistance line. Here's the next one. So if you would enter long position right now, up to here, this would be 2.14%, and up to here to the next resistance line is 3.8%. So with a $100,000 position, you could make around $4,000 profit if you reach this again here, okay? So that's what's going on with Bitcoin right now. And of course, we are going to have a look at Ethereum also. As you can see here, let's go to the hourly time frame. First of all, let's talk about this. I mean, we've been trading since 21st of June within this ascending, broadening wedge here, as you can see, and we didn't break any of those support lines, as you can see. I mean, this is the support line, this is resistance, and as you can see, as of right now, we are trading. So it's better to go here to the hourly time frame, then you can see it better. We are trading here right now, guys, yeah. So within this channel, yeah, and once we break this channel, this would be very bullish. So you can, or you could enter long position with a stop loss below these wicks here, stop loss at around $1,869, because this is below the lowest wicks here. So you could enter long position, because first of all, if we have, let's say, a 4 hourly close above this white line and this blue line, yeah, then you could enter a long position, because then we have this blue line acting as support and also this white line acting as support, yeah. And yeah, that's what's going on right now, guys. So the market looks pretty bullish right now, I would say. So guys, yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.